Hey Tech Tots, welcome back to another video. Today we have a nice and easy project that can come in handy for the upcoming weeks. Today I'm going to teach you how to fake being in a Zoom class or a meeting. So first, we'll go over to Spotlight, search, and open Photobooth. Once Photobooth's open, we'll go back into Spotlight, search for Quicktime Player. Now that you see Quicktime Player is open in the status bar, go to File, New Screen Recording. Hit the record button and drag over the area you'd like to record. Now we'll hit Start Recording. All you got to do now is pretend to pay attention like you would in class. Do a couple of head nods, maybe a smile. It's really up to you, but make it realistic and do this for about 2 minutes. Now that we're done, we stop the video and we'll go ahead and save it into our paying attention folder on the desktop. Great. Now we'll go into Google Chrome, open a new window, and search on Google for iGlasses. You'll see the first link here takes you to the iGlasses website, and you'll want to go ahead and download the free trial. Cool. Once you have the iGlasses downloaded, we'll go ahead and open Zoom. Now that we're on Zoom, we'll join a new class. And we'll join with video. Now we are in class. We'll go ahead and open iGlasses. And now that iGlasses is open, we'll see all these different effects. Let's drag it over to the second to last page where we'll see the Share Media panel. Hit that. And we'll see a prompt to drop an image or video here. We'll go back to our desktop, paying attention folder, and drag the pay attention movie into that area. Like you would in class. Do a couple of head nods. We'll mute the movie, and voila. You are paying attention in class on loop without really paying attention. I hope this is helpful, and I hope to see you soon on future Tech Tot tutorials. Have a good day.